Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to Yoga and Hikes with Mike. It's not much of hiking right now, but I'm going to get after it here in my artificial forest. Begin to trace circles with your nose. Start with small circles and gradually make them larger. Switch the direction of the circles. As we finish up warming up our neck for our practice, you could shake your head yes, shake your head no, and see how this feels in your body. Come to a seated position and begin to make circles with your upper body, hinging at your hip and spending any extra time in a spot that feels extra sticky. Make circles with your upper body in the other direction. Place your left hand on your left knee and gently push down as you reach your right arm out to the side and extend your neck. Inhale through your nose. Sigh it out. Exhale through your mouth. Gently come to a seated position, seated extended mountain. Reach your hands up towards the sky, bring them down to heart center. Put your right hand on your right knee and softly press down while you reach your left arm out to the side. Allow gravity to help your neck release tension. You could rock your head from side to side, gently massaging the neck. Inhale as you gently rise to a seated position. Seated extended mountain. Reach your arms up towards the sky. Bring your hands to heart center. Inhale as you reach your arms up. Exhale as you draw your arms down to heart center. Tabletop pose, cat and cow. Make sure your hips are over your knees, your shoulders are over your wrists. Inhale as you look up. Exhale as you look down. Inhale, drop your belly, look up. Exhale, arch your back, look down. Flow through a few more cat and cow poses and let your breath guide you.